Good morning, my scholars. How are you all? I hope that you are enjoying all this festival very well. So, children, today we are going to start with our new chapter from your English student book, that is chapter number 4, If I Were. Here, the meaning of were means someone. Someone means if you want to be a someone, if you want to be a teacher, if you want to be a doctor, if you want to be an engineer. Yes, so these all are our community helpers. They helps us in our routine life in many different ways. So children, let us read this poem and try to understand what these helpers are doing, what things they are using for their profession. So let us start. Open your English student book, chapter number 4, If I Were. Now, children, in this chapter, we are going to first draw and write about what you would like to be, then read and recite poem, and then talk about community helpers. And you know, children, there are people around us who help us in a different ways. So we'll draw the picture in that what you would like to be when you were grown up. So there is a one filling the blanks. In that you have to write down what you want to be when you were someone. So for example, I want to be teacher because I love kids. So first you have to mention that what you want to be and why you want to be that. And you have to draw the picture below. Now children, let's read the poem first. So, if I were a baker, what would I do? Bake a lot of bread for me and you. So, children, if think that if you were baker, what you would do? You bake a lot of bread and for me and you. So, children, tell me, what tool does baker use? Baker use an oven, yes, to bake a bread. Does he only make a bread? No, he makes so many things like cake, pastry, pie, cookies, biscuits. Okay, so these all the things are prepared by baker. Then, if I were a policeman, what would I do? Keep everyone safe? That's what I would do. So children, think that if you were policeman, what would you do? Will you keep safe everyone? Yes, you will protect everyone from many things. And which tool does policeman keep with him? So policeman keeps gun and stick with him. Yes. If I were a doctor, what would I do? Care for your parents, your sister and you. So children, think that if you were a doctor, what would you do? You will care for everyone. You will treat ill people. Yes, you will give them medicine. Yes, so doctors are giving medicine to cure our disease. And which thing does used by a doctor? So doctor use stethoscope and thermometer. Stethoscope is used for the heartbeat and thermometer is used to check a body temperature. Yes. Now, if I were a teacher, what would I do? Teach you a lesson and all that's good for you.
So, if you were a teacher, what would you do? Yes, so you will give knowledge to the children, you will give information to the children. Then, if I were a barber, what would I do? Cut and trim your hair? So nice for you. So, what if you were a barber? Yes, so barber, what does he do? He cuts our hair. Yes, so children, which thing is used by the barber? Scissor. Now, did you know, children, a farmer, janitor, soldier, and fruit seller are helpers too. So, children, this is farmer. He grows so many crops in his field. Yes. Then janitor means the person who keeps our building and society neat and clean, who will come to our home and take our home garbage. Yes, so it is called a janitor. Then soldier means a person who stands on the border of our nation and protect us from enemies. And fruit seller who sells the fruit are called fruit seller. So these all are helper, and there are many more helpers except this. Now children, you have to write down true or false. So in this, I will give you few sentences and you have to tell me whether this sentence is true, means correct, right, or false, means wrong, cross. Okay, so let us read the first. A baker cuts people's hair. A baker cuts people's hair. Is this statement is true? No, because baker is baking cakes. He is not cutting hair of the people. Yes, so this statement is false. So we will write F for false in this box. Then read the second is, a teacher gives us lesson to be good. A teacher gives us lessons to be good. Means teacher is giving you a good lesson, good knowledge. Yes, so this statement is true. So we will write T, that is stand for true, in the box. Then third is, a policeman cares for our dog and cats. A policeman cares for our dog and cats. Does policeman care for a dog and cats? No. So it is a false. Then fourth one is, a doctor helps sick people to get better. A doctor helps sick people to get better. So is this statement is true? Yes. Doctor take care of us. Yes. So this is true. Then fifth one is, a barber bakes breads. A barber bakes bread. So barber is not bakes bread. He'll cut and trim our hair. Yes, so this statement is also false.
So I hope you understand this poem well. Children, there are many more helpers except these which we have learned. So children, tell me what you want to be when you grown up. Yes, and also tell me that did you find any of this helper into your society or at your home? Did they wear uniform or not? Think about that and discuss that with your parents. Take care of yourself. Goodbye and thank you very much.